Here we have a lovely 2010 Peugeot 4007 GT 2.2 diesel HDI, which basically is top of the range. Switchable four-wheel drive, 7 seats, which all fold back, or fold flat rather. You've got a removable tow bar, which you've got inside. Just had the 2 owners from new, my next door neighbour being the last owner of 2 years. So I've known the car for 2 years and it's been well looked after. We've just removed his floor mats. He has floor mats over the mats. He's that fussy and particular. He's got a couple of headrests on it. They're just for protection purposes. We can remove those to show you, there's no problem. All 4 alloy wheels are beautiful, no curbing or any marks. He's just had 4 new tyres put on this year. So the 225 55 18s. About 3 or 4 months ago he had the 2 rear tyres put on, and then he's just had a pair of front tyres put on. Just opening the tailgate now, guys. And there you go. It's got the rear 2 seats, so making 7 in total, all full seats with 3-point seat belts. We'll just fold that back, demonstrate how easy that is. There it goes, and that's folded flat as follows. Just opening the back. Again, full leather seats, centre armrest, holders, even smells like new. Full set of genuine mats, but as I say, he's got another set of mats that go on top of those. Very fussy. As you can see how easy it is to fold those back seats forward, so you've got the full size and access. He's even had extra mats made under the seats that you don't come off Peugeot. And just pull this lever like so. The back seats come forward and back, as well as rear seat adjustment. Same story at the front. Front seat's lovely, just headrests on. Got the full set of books there. We've got a service pack and service history. It was last serviced at 81,000 miles. It's a 6-speed manual. The only thing to mention on the bodywork here is there's no marks, scratches as such. I've just found one little dent, trolley size, dreaded car park trolley dent, but again that's not punctured or broken the paint, so that's no problem for a dent man. They just go behind here, pull the plastic cover off and just tap that flush. So that's just a dent, master dent. It's got rear parking sensors. It's the 2.2 HDI turbo diesel engine, 16 valve. Not a lot to see under these modern engines, everything covered, but all importantly everything's as it should and it's all nice and dry. Starts up on the button as you would expect. Electric seat adjustment, no sign of any wear on the seat. Same story, he's got a mat over here, but we've just taken that out just to show you the genuine Peugeot mats, as well as the carpets like new underneath. Everything works. Power steering, electric windows all round. cruise control, audio control, volume up and down from the steering wheel, leather steering wheel, all in good order, 6-speed manual, clutch operation is smooth, gearbox, everything's exactly as it should be. And there's your controls. So you've got complete lock, you can have 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. So 2-wheel drive for normal economy reasons, 4-wheel drive explanatory, or you can have a low lock if you're going off-road. Air conditioning, climate control, multi-CD player as well as MP3. Centre armrest, extra 12-volt supply as well as down here. This particular model's got the heated seat option. Electrically retractable mirrors. It wants for nothing, this particular model. See the electric mirrors working there. Parking sensors. It's done 83,000 miles. It was last serviced at 81,000 miles. Cup holders. So just to recap, my neighbour's 2010 Peugeot 4007 GT, which is the top of the range, and it's the 2.2 turbo diesel HDI engine in very, very nice order. Just one slight mark to mention. It's not a mark as such, just a little dimple. Other than that, I'll be more than happy to drive this to show and demonstrate anywhere in the United Kingdom, completely free of charge as usual. All I ask, if you're happy and delighted after payment by the usual methods, online or banker's draft, or we can go into the bank, is just for a lift to the nearest train station. That's all I ask. If you're not happy, you don't pay for it, and no further action is taken. But I'm sure that won't be the case. Just look at the other items and my feedback, and that's how we like to do business. Give a thorough description, make sure you're happy, and if you are, there's no reason why not. This will disappoint.